Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? The car accident injury attorneys. Very important topics. Please subscribe my channel. On comment, like, share, and valuable comment. And thank you watching my videos. Very important points: the social work and social network and social need. The car accident injury attorneys. If you succeed a car accident injury attorneys to help you with a personal injury claim resolution from a car accident here are some specialist steps you can take. Number one, the specialization in personal injury. Look for attorneys who specialize in personal injury law. Practical those when experienced in handling car accident case. Personal injury law encompasses a wide range of cases, and you will find someone familiar with the specific nuance or car accident. Again, I repeat point: car accident injury attorneys. If you're succeeding a car accident injury attorneys to help you with a personal injury claim resolution from a car accident, here and some specific step you can take. Specialization in personal injury. Look for attorneys who specialize in personal injury laws, particular those with experience personal injury. It comprises a wide range of cases and will find someone familiar with the specific nuance of car accident. Use online search engine to find attorneys in your areas who specialize in car accident injury case. You can use specific keyword like car accident injury attorneys along with the name of car accident, your cities, your region, and your cities, your state, lawyer direction. The lawyer direction. Explore lawyer direction such as how above find law or marketing humble. Their description provide information about lawyers, experience, candidates, and client reviews. Reference seeks reference from friends, family, colleagues who may have and positive experience with can accident injured attorneys. Consultation. Schedule consultation with the potential attorneys and car accidents lawyers or attorneys. Most personal injured attorneys offer the entailed consultation to discussion in the details of your case, experience and track records. Experience and tracks record. Inquiry about the attorney experience in handle car accident injuries car. Ask about their success rate and the outcome of similar case they are handled. Legal free. Discussion. The attorney's free structure many personal injury. Attorney work on a condition-free base. Maintain the only grade paid if you recover compensation for your injuries. Communication system with style. Communication style. Associate the attorney communication style is calculated and chooses someone who will keep you informed about the programs of your case and responsibility to you include client testimoniation. Look for client testimoniation and reviews or the attorney's website, others review platform. Theirs can provide integration into the experience to our client. The bar association, your cities, your state, check your local bar association to ensure the attorney is licensed and good standard. You can find the information on the state bar website. Ask question during counselor as a specific question about how the attorney plans and hand your case, what challenge they forecast, and the immediate timeline on resolution. Remember, it is insured to the promptly if you have been injured in car accidents, as there are obtained deadlines in filings, personal injury claimants consulate with a qualified car accident injured attorney can help you understand your right, neighbor the legal process, and speak the composition you may be enough your injured. If you succeed in car accident injured attorneys to help with personal injuries, client result and car accident, someone specific, specialized and personal injury, online search, lawyer direction, reference, conclusion, consolation, experience and track record, legal free, communication style, client transmission, bar association. Ask a few questions. Thank you. Best of luck.